charge your Samsung phone and it refused, or your screen just remain as black as my phone, don't worry, it's normal and it always happens, so you're not alone. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix this problem. So as you can see, I'm trying to connect my phone with my charger so to see if it will charge. So once I connect, as you can see, nothing is happening. So if you want to fix this problem, guys, first of all, you have to check your charger if it's working. So you need to check your charger if it's working, and if it works properly, then you need to follow these steps. Is to plug in the charger on your phone, then leave it connected for about 20 minutes, right? So after 20 minutes, so you need to press volume up plus power button. So I just press volume up plus power button. So once you see Samsung on your screen, just leave power button and keep on pressing volume up. These options come to your screen. What you need to do is to use volume down scroll to wipe cache partition, right? Then select this option by pressing power button. Then next tap on yes, scroll down to yes, then select this option again. After that, just press power button to reboot your phone. So your phone will restart. Then your phone will turn on again. So this time around, now when you try to connect your charger, you'll see now it's charging. So guys, that's how you can fix this problem on your Samsung phone. So let me know if this method worked for you in the comment section, and if you found it useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.